Best outdoor TV antennas deliver stronger signals, more free HD channels, and better reliability than indoor models, perfect for long-range reception and cord cutters who want clear, stable TV. Satellite antenna. Starting at number 1. Channel Master EXTREMEtenna. The Channel Master EXTREMEtenna is a powerful multi-directional outdoor HDTV antenna designed to deliver free over-the-air TV with no monthly fees. Featuring an advanced 8-bay bowtie design, it offers an impressive 80-plus mile range with a wide 180 degrees reception angle, making it ideal for capturing both UHF and VHF signals from multiple directions. Built for durability and performance, it supports uncompressed 1080i HD broadcasts for excellent picture and sound quality and comes pre-assembled for easy installation on roofs, walls, attics, or chimneys, making it a reliable choice for cord cutters who want strong, stable reception. Satellite antenna television. Number 2. Antennas Direct ClearStream. The Antennas Direct ClearStream 4 UHF indoor-outdoor TV antenna is a versatile multi-directional antenna that can pick up free over-the-air UHF TV signals from 70-plus miles away, making it a good choice for suburban and rural areas with weaker reception. It uses 4 patented loops and reflectors to enhance signal focus and reduce interference, and supports next-gen TV, 4K, 8K UHD, and full HD broadcasts without needing internet. The antenna comes with a 20-inch mast with a pivoting base for easy installation indoors, in an attic, or outdoors, and includes all-weather mounting hardware, though coaxial cable is sold separately. Its design lets you capture more channels from multiple directions without constantly adjusting the antenna's position. Number 3. GE Outdoor HD Digital TV Antenna. The GE Outdoor HD Digital TV Antenna, Model 33685, is a long-range Yagi-style outdoor HDTV antenna that picks up free over-the-air VHF and UHF channels, letting you watch local TV in 4K and 1080p HD without subscription fees. It offers up to around 70 to 80 miles reception range, making it suitable for suburban and rural areas, and features a weather-resistant design that can be mounted outdoors or in an attic. The antenna includes a J-mount, mounting bracket, and mast clamp for easy installation, and its traditional Yagi design helps improve signal quality and reduce dropouts for better HDTV viewing. Number 4. PBDWA2608 Amplified TV Antenna. The PBDWA2608 Amplified Outdoor TV Antenna is a long-range outdoor HDTV antenna with a motorized 360 degrees rotation feature that lets you adjust its direction using a wireless remote for better signal strength. It has a built-in high-gain, low-noise amplifier and supports 4K and 1080p HD over-the-air channels, so you can watch free TV broadcasts on up to 2 TVs at once without needing a splitter. The antenna comes with a mounting pole, 40 feet RG6 coaxial cable, and weather-resistant design for outdoor installation, and it's advertised to receive signals from up to about 150 miles away, making it suitable for areas with weaker broadcast coverage. Number 5. 5-Star Yagi Satellite HDTV Antenna. The 5-Star Yagi Satellite HDTV Antenna is a long-range outdoor, or attic/roof, digital TV antenna that's designed to pull in free over-the-air HD channels with support for 4K and 1080p reception without cable bills. It uses a Yagi directional design with larger VHF and UHF elements for stronger signal reception and a claimed range of up to 200 miles. Actual performance depends on your distance from broadcast towers and terrain. The antenna includes a mounting pole, 40 feet coaxial cable, and installation kit so you can set it up on a roof, chimney, mast, or attic, and it supports connecting to multiple TVs with a splitter. Built with weatherproof materials, it's meant to withstand outdoor conditions while helping you enjoy local channels in high definition.